Today 27th of November 2023, guys. I hope you are banking amazing profit. We had a beautiful trades this morning at the market open, all the yen pair. Let me share with you in euro yen how we manage very decent profit. Pretty straightforward as mentioned to my trader. If you look ahead this situation, let me make it slightly bigger. So this is the price action, give us the high probability of reversal. As you can see here, the market nicely broken, and as soon as the market reverse, as explained my trader, it's the time for short trade here. Beautiful, and still traders are holding short, and we are banking amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. Pretty straightforward as mentioned here. Based on this analysis, we were looking this breakout, as you can see here. As soon as the market develop a false breakout, that's a high probability of reversal trade. We have this is basically we call this speculation. So market nicely broken, false breakouts as I explained, look for another breakout. Beautiful. And afterwards, pretty standard and straightforward. As explained, my trader just keep taking a pullbacks as soon as the price hit to the first target. That's what explained my trader, it's time to enjoy amazing profit, or at least move your stop loss at the break even. As explained, keep taking a pullbacks. Even now, if you look ahead, the market has developed another beautiful pullback. Short trade here, you can see here, once we bank some profit, market nicely reverse, develop another pullback, and market is also going to hit to the previous low and bank amazing profit. So guys, you want to see those analyses in real time with the full explanation and details through live audio commentary support? Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.